Your mechanic smiles at you while your bill quietly triples. Every quick fix he charges you $80 for takes 5 minutes and costs less than your coffee. Today you're getting 7 genius car hacks mechanics hope you never find, because each one kills a bill they were counting on. Stick around for hack number 1. Skipping it could be the most expensive mistake you make on your car this year. Let's get into it. Hack number 7. Toothpaste headlight restoration. Shops are charging you $60 to $120 to restore foggy, yellowed headlights that make your car look a decade older than it actually is. Here's the trap. Cloudy headlights are not just cosmetic. They are a documented safety hazard, and Consumer Reports has shown that oxidized lenses can cut your visible light output by up to 60% at night. That means your $2,000 headlight upgrade quote is really just a UV coating problem that regular toothpaste solves for pennies. Grab a basic, non-gel toothpaste, work it into the lens with a damp cloth in small circles for about 2 minutes. Then rinse and buff dry. The mild abrasives inside toothpaste physically polish away the oxidized layer, the exact same chemistry a $200 headlight restoration kit is selling you in a fancier tube. Skip this hack and you're gambling with your own night vision every single time you drive after dark. Do this once, and you save yourself a service bill and a genuine safety risk in under 10 minutes. Owners who tried this hack report headlights looking noticeably clearer within a single treatment, proof that the entire restoration industry is selling you convenience, not chemistry you can't already handle yourself. Hack number 6. Rice or silica packet windshield defogger. Foggy, dripping windows in cold or rainy weather are more than an annoyance. They're a visibility nightmare that has contributed to countless low-speed collisions the NHTSA quietly tracks every winter. Detailers want to sell you a $70 interior dehumidifier system for a problem sitting in your kitchen pantry right now. Fill an old sock with plain white rice or a handful of saved silica packets and tuck it under your seats or dash overnight. The rice pulls ambient moisture out of your cabin air, drying out the trapped humidity that fogs your glass the second you turn the engine on. Replace it every couple weeks, and that fog stops forming before it ever hits your windshield. A $1 bag of rice is quietly doing the job of an appliance that costs 70 times more. Ignore this, and you're driving half-blind every single foggy morning for the rest of the season. It's a small habit that quietly removes a genuine accident risk from your daily commute, and it costs you nothing you didn't already have sitting in a cupboard. Hack number 5. Chalk tire tread depth check. Tire shops love it when you walk in unsure whether your tires need replacing, because a scare tactic sells you a full set way before you actually need one. And that's an easy $600 to $800 upsell. Here's the truth they don't want you doing yourself. Rub a piece of white chalk across your tread grooves, then run your finger over it. If the chalk stays visibly packed deep in the grooves, you've still got healthy tread left. But if it wipes away instantly on shallow, worn channels, you're looking at a genuine blowout risk, not a sales pitch. The NHTSA has directly linked worn tread below 2/32 of an inch to a dramatically higher risk of hydroplaning and loss of control in wet conditions. This 30-second chalk test tells you the truth a salesman never will. Skip it, and you're one rainstorm away from a financial disaster and a genuinely dangerous skid. 30 seconds with a piece of chalk protects both your wallet from an unnecessary upsell and your family from a genuinely preventable crash. Hack number 4. WD-40 Windshield Wiper Streak Fix. Streaky, screeching wipers during a downpour are not just irritating, they're blinding you at the worst possible moment, and shops know panic buying a $70 wiper replacement in a storm is pure profit for them. Before you spend a dime, wipe your blades down with a cloth lightly dampened in WD-40. Then immediately wipe the rubber clean with a dry microfiber towel, so no residue is left behind. This strips away the invisible film of road grime and oxidized rubber that's actually causing the streaking, not blade failure at all. A $5 can of WD-40 rescues wipers that still had months of life left in them meaning that $70 replacement was a total money pit you almost fell into. Owners who skip this step are tossing out perfectly good wiper blades every single season for no reason at all. Do this once and watch your streaks disappear like they were never there. It takes less time than waiting in line at the auto parts counter, and it keeps your visibility intact the moment a storm actually hits. Hack number 3. Baking soda battery terminal cleaner. A car that cranks slow or won't start at all sends most people straight into a panic buy of a brand new battery running you $150 to $200, when the real culprit is often just corrosion sitting right on the terminals. Mix baking soda with a splash of water into a thick paste. Scrub it directly onto the white or blue crust with an old toothbrush. Then rinse and dry completely before reconnecting anything. That corrosion is a chemical reaction between battery gases and exposed metal, and it's quietly increasing electrical resistance until your engine can't get enough current to fire on the first try. This $1 box of baking soda fixes what shops are betting you'll misdiagnose as a dead battery. Owners report saving their actual battery for another full year just by clearing this corrosion out properly. Ignore corrosion long enough, and you'll be paying for a battery you never actually needed. That's real money handed straight to a counter salesman for a problem a toothbrush and a box of baking soda had already solved. Hack number 2. Coca-Cola rust and grime removal. Rust creeping across your bumper trim, wheel wells, or exposed metal is a slow-moving nightmare, because once oxidation gets a foothold, body shops will quote you anywhere from $300 to over $1,000, depending on how far it's spread. Before you accept that estimate, pour ordinary Coca-Cola directly onto the rusted metal or grimy chrome. Let the phosphoric acid sit and work for 2 to 3 minutes. Then scrub with a stiff brush and rinse thoroughly with water. That same acid used in cola is chemically similar to what dedicated rust removers charge premium prices for in a spray bottle. A $2 can of soda is dissolving oxidation that a body shop wants hundreds of dollars to sand and repaint. Letting surface rust sit untreated for even a few more months turns a $2 fix into a genuine structural repair bill. Treat it today, or watch a $2 problem become a $2,000 betrayal. Every month you wait, that rust spreads a little further, and that repair quote climbs a little higher. And now, hack number 1, the one you cannot afford to skip. Dryer sheet dashboard dust repellent. Your dashboard and vents collect a thick layer of dust within days of every single detail appointment. And most people assume that's just normal, paying for reapplied interior dressing every single month, without ever asking why the dust keeps coming back so fast. Here's the part detailers are banking on, you never finding out. Static electricity in your dashboard plastic is actively attracting dust particles out of the air, and standard interior sprays do nothing to stop that root cause. They just mask it temporarily. Wipe your dashboard, vents, and door panels down with a plain dryer sheet instead. And the anti-static coating on that sheet neutralizes the electrical charge that was pulling dust onto your surfaces in the first place. A box of dryer sheets costs $3 and can treat your entire interior for months, compared to detailers charging you $20 to $40 every single visit for a dressing spray that stops working within days. This is the exact reason your dashboard was never actually staying clean, no matter how often you paid to have it cleaned. Skip this, and you're funding someone else's business model with your own static electricity. Once you understand what's actually pulling that dust onto your dash, you'll never look at an overpriced interior spray the same way again. You just walked away with 7 genuine hacks that mechanics and detailers never wanted sitting in your back pocket, each one quietly protecting your wallet from a bill you were never actually supposed to owe. Which one of these are you trying first? And which one already saved you money in the past? Drop it in the comments and let us know exactly where you're watching from, because your city might be dealing with the exact same rust, fog, or corrosion nightmare right now.